Hi, Ed Akehurst back again with another Genius Pages tutorial. This time we're going to take a look at pricing blocks. So you'll go to blocks, scroll down to pricing, and then choose one that looks good to you. There's one here that has a background image on it. We have different colors, different styles. That one's a little more transparent. I'm just going to pick a basic one here so that we can just take a look at it. And just, again, click it and drag it to where you want in the page. And what you'll see is this one has 3 pricing options here. And maybe you've got different packages, or maybe you've got a monthly, annual, or lifetime package or something like that. And what you'll do is you can edit this entire box and you can change the padding and the borders and the border radius. See, we've got these are radiused a little bit. You can do large, none, or small, or medium. And you can put borders and background images and things like that. But each component here is also, like that, is a text component. So you can actually change the text the way we normally change text. You can edit the style of it. You can change the font size, the text color. You can do things here, put a higher margin on the left or the right, or align it somewhere differently. Same for this, same for this. Even these little icons here, see, you can do those. That is a dark blue color, 16 size. It doesn't go anywhere, it's just a check, but it could if you wanted it to. And the icon, that's using the check circle. And you could do a different one if you wanted to. So each little component here is editable. This is going to be your button. And we've already done a video on buttons. If you're not sure how to use them, go see the Genius Pages Edit Buttons video. But you can add margins, background colors, border colors, everything that we did. Now, Genius Pages right now does not have, at the time I'm making this video, does not have a payment integration. It will. It's going to have a direct integration into it. And once that's done, then you'll be able to choose your integration from here as well. For right now, you would simply pick a web page that it would go out to that has your shopping cart. For example, I use Kartra. I also use Invoicing You, which is one of our softwares. And you may have a different, you may use SamCard or JVZoo or whatever you're using. You can do that. Now, if you have like a JVZoo button, for example, remember you can delete this button. You can take it out, get rid of it, and you could embed the JVZoo image button in there if you wanted. So you have full control over all of this, and you could take out different columns. I'm not sure how this one's done. That might mess up the formatting of it. Yeah, see, these are then going to be on the left. But if you've only got one, for example, you could do that. And there's a little pricing thing right in the middle. So you can play around with it and do what you want. So that is our pricing model. I will redo this video or do a new one once we have the integration done for accepting payment. And in the meantime, you can use this option just like I showed you here. I'll see you on another video.